Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Grand Cherokee. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, inside you'll find heated steering wheel, smart device integration, trip computer, universal garage door opener, power tilting steering wheel, tinted glass, compass. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.